Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Merrill. Welcome back to school. I hope you all had a wonderful spring break, and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy with your families and just doing the best that we can right now. I'm so glad to be back, and just know that we are all here. If you guys ever need anything, you know that you can reach out to me through email or you can give me a call. All right, so let me go through our lessons for Monday, April 6th. I am at our course page right now. Notice that I do have our announcement up already. It says Monday, April 6th, welcome back, DLD week 3, more traditional literature. We're going to be spending this week with some more Greek mythology with Theseus and the Minotaur and how Odin lost his eye. These are some really great stories. Mythology is one of my favorite genres to read. I really like the stories. They're very interesting. All right, so let's go about our assignments for today. Notice that in our announcement section, I have our welcome back banner. Welcome back to school. I hope you all had a wonderful spring break. I just want you all to know that I am so proud of each of you. You're all doing an amazing job with your work, and I really want you to keep it up. Okay. Notice that it says, now please watch this video to better understand where to go to get to your assignments for today and how to complete it. Notice that right here I have a back to school sign. When I am done with this video, I will be replacing this back to school sign with your video for today. When you finish watching the video, you guys can click on this calendar link right here. It'll bring you directly to our calendar, and the calendar links will then bring you directly to your Google Classroom links. I also have a discussion board if you guys have any questions, but know that you can reach out to me through email or calling me. Those are probably better than posting on our discussion links. Just some reminders for you. You will need to complete and submit all of your assignments. I am still giving grades for them, and your completion of the assignments are still acting as your attendance for the day, okay? So make sure that you are staying up to date with all of your assignments. And also keep in mind that, again, there are thousands of students and teachers trying to get work completed. The server may be slow at times, especially starting up after spring break, but please be patient. I've also included my email address and my Google Voice phone number here for you as well. And here's a picture of Theseus and the Minotaur. Okay, let's get started with our assignments for today. You can either click on our calendar link up at the top right here, or you can click on the calendar link right here. Okay, either one will bring you to our calendar. I'm going to click on this link, and it brings you directly to our calendar for this week. Notice that I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, Friday will be a catch-up day again, so that's why I have some blank spots on our slides. I will have Wednesday and Thursday up soon as well, but let's just focus on Monday. Okay, so here's our slides for today. I'm sorry if in the video this might be cut off a little bit. Let me go back to it here. Notice that you can click on any one of your Google Classroom links. Be sure to do so, and be sure to click on the appropriate one. The slide says, students, we will continue to work with traditional literature today. Please click on the appropriate class link below. Your agenda is linked directly to your Google Classroom link. We will be reading Theseus and the Minotaur and answering questions 1 through 6 through a Google form. Please click on the appropriate class link to find your complete lesson. So let me go ahead and click on period 2. Okay, and notice that it brings us directly to Mrs. Merrill's second period class, and the entire lesson is here for you and written out for you. And just to show you, I'm going to go back to our course page. Third period, it is the exact same. And fourth period, it is the exact same as well. Okay, so let's read through our lesson today. It says, welcome back. I hope you all had a wonderful spring break. I hope you and your families are doing well and are staying safe. Now let's get back to it. You're all doing a wonderful job. Keep up the great work. I'm so proud of all of you. For Monday, April 6th, our learning targets are, I can cite extensive evidence to support analysis of a text. I can evaluate and summarize a complex theme and its development over the course of a text. And I can evaluate the impact of the relationships between the plot of a story and the characters. Here's your agenda for today. Notice that you have 4 documents that are uploaded. Okay, each of these are very important and you will need them in order to complete the assignment successfully. It says, first view the Theseus and the Minotaur background information and more presentation. This presentation provides insight to the story you are about to read. There is information regarding characters, setting, vocabulary, and more. Click on the Google Slides presentation below. So if you click on the Google Slides presentation right here, it will bring you to a copy of the Theseus and the Minotaur. Okay, if I put it in present mode, it might be cut off at the top a little bit. So this is what it looks like, and if you just go through each of the slides, okay, it gives you some background information. Be sure to read through those, okay? All right, I'm going to go back to our classroom assignment. Then number 2, it says, then you will read Theseus and the Minotaur. Click on the Google Doc below titled Theseus and the Minotaur. Reading with comments. A link to listen to a recording of the reading is included at the top of the passages and in the middle of the passage. I had to record the passage in 2 parts. I suggest you listen to the readings and follow along with my comments and annotations. So if I go ahead and click on the Google Docs, you will be brought to a copy of Theseus and the Minotaur. Let me just get it loaded up. Okay, and as we scroll down, notice that I have highlighted and put some comments in already. Okay, so you already see that. So if you would like to read this on your own, obviously my highlighting and my comments on the side, those are equivalent to us reading this together in class and me annotating with you. Okay, so go ahead and read through. I included some pictures for you as well, and then there's some definitions and footnotes at the bottom. Also notice that I included 2 links to my recordings. Okay, so right here it says click on this link to listen to the passage, and this is paragraphs 1 through 19. So if I go ahead and click on this, okay, and as I click on it, it brings up a video recording of me reading aloud to you. You can listen to my read alouds, you can listen to my annotations, and this is part 1, so it's only paragraphs 1 through 19. As we go through the passage, okay, you'll notice that there's another link right after paragraph 19 where you can click on and it will bring you to the second part of the reading. Okay, so you can read those and listen to the video at the same time. Okay, so that is the second part of your assignment, is to read through and or listen to the passage. Okay, now back to our assignment. It says once you have read the passage, you will answer 6 comprehension questions to demonstrate your understanding of the text. Please click on the Google form below titled Theseus and the Minotaur Comprehension Questions 1 through 6. I've also recorded the questions so that you can listen to them. You will need to click on the video in order to listen. The video is titled Theseus and the Minotaur Reading Comprehension Questions YouTube video. You can submit this form as many times as you would like until you are satisfied with your grade. So here is the reading of the questions. You will just click on that, and this is just a reading. And it really just tells you that you need to, after you're done, you need to click on the Google Forms, and then it reads you the questions. And then here is your Google form that you will click on and go through. You will answer your questions. Make sure you choose an answer choice for each question. And then when you're done, you will click the Submit button. Once you have submitted your Google Forms, it will give you a grade. If you are satisfied with the grade, you don't have to complete it again. However, if you are not satisfied with your grade, you will then go ahead and complete the Google Forms again, okay? So keep in mind that this is your assignment for today. you're going to be viewing the Google Slides to give you some background knowledge and information about Theseus and the Minotaur. You are then going to read the actual passage, Theseus and the Minotaur, with the embedded links for the read alouds and the videos. Or you can just read it by yourself. Then you are going to click on the Google Forms and complete that. Okay, and then you can also listen to the questions being read aloud to you. If you have any questions about anything, please contact me. Let me know what your questions are. Let me know what your concerns are. You can email me or give me a call. Okay, I hope you all are doing really well, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.